Celebrating its 14th year in the national capital, the World Book Fair is back and yet again become a hot spot for book lovers. As bookworms flip through the pages and avail lucrative discounts in the fair, there is this one stall in a small corner of the fair which has become the center of attraction. Meet the Xavier's Group initiative, which gives you a peep into the world of visually impaired. They promise you a unique experience and tell you much more than just the Braille script. As you visit this stall, you are first made to register yourself, then you are blindfolded and taken into a chamber with volunteers all around to assist you. Inside the chamber, you are made to do various activities like guessing the currency by just touching it and typing your name on the keyboard without looking at it.
एक्चुअली बहुत टफ़ एक्सपीरियंस रहा। पहले इन्होंने कार्ड और एक टैग दे के अंदर भेजा। अंदर गेट पे ही एंट्री करने से पहले आंखों पे पट्टी बांध दी, जिससे मुझे कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। और अंदर जाके जितने भी लोग थे उन्होंने हेल्प करी। पहले एक कॉइन और नोट पकड़ाया, फिर बोला कि वो करना है, मतलब इसको टच करके बताना है कि किसका नोट है और किसका कॉइन है। और बाकी ऐसे बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी इनके पास बहुत अच्छी है। काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। बहुत टफ और पेनफुल भी था, बट सच अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस।
After completing the 10-minute exercise, a volunteer takes you through the different technological facilities that are available for a visually impaired person. It ranges from a software that can magnify words up to 60 times and changes the screen color for colorblind people. And not just that, after this, you are made to share your experience with a visually impaired person.
Everyone has a different reaction to whatever they go through, what are the activities they go through, whatever the activities they go through, and sometimes they find it very difficult, but it's we have to tell them that it's not exactly difficult. It's just a 15 minutes experience for you, and it's actually not that tough if you do it every day and if you actually practice.
So this book fair is not just about books, but also a platform to learn and sensitize about the world of darkness.